Oh man.
Yeah, this one, man, they look like little marshmallows in hot chocolate type. First, look at this.
Oh my god.
Hot cocoa marshmallows. Yeah, I didn't think about that. They aren't hard packed either. They're soft.
Yeah, they're fluffy.
It's styrofoam out of a beanbag chair. Somebody spilled their beanbag chair on my car.
Bizarre.
Popcorn balls.
Man, it was just sunny out.
I just like practice.
The March 31st snow fight.
Telling you,
Snowball
look at
fight. So, here, wing it at a car. You punks! Trippy.
Weird. Who'd have expected this? There's going to be some nasty car accidents because if it gets cold right now and ice is up, the roads are going to turn to pure ice.
I don't know about it being icy, but I can definitely see it getting slick either way.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that. It doesn't take long at all. It just needs to get the road, that first layer just needs to get the road cool enough to hold the second layer.
Oh, here it comes.
Yeah. Fuck. This is insane, man.
Global warming.
Yes. That's why I'm shivering. It's so damn hot, I'm cold.
Yeah.
It was just nice and sunny out, too.
Yeah. I heard the thunder.
I heard that, too. Yeah, it's a perfect snowball. Type snow. That is not snow in that tree. Those are cherry blossoms. Or some type of fruiting tree it is.